Today in crypto, I'm going to discuss with you 3 low market cap DeFi cryptocurrency gems that I am buying right now, which I believe have very big potential moving forward. My name is Lark, and this is where you subscribe for all of the hottest and all of the latest happening out here in the wild, wild land of crypto. Now, before I share those picks with you, just a quick word from today's sponsor, Unstoppable Domains. They have got some massive news. They have just been integrated into the Coinbase wallet. Now, considering this is one of the biggest wallets out there, this is a massive step for adoption of Unstoppable Domains human readable addresses. Now, any Coinbase wallet user can send Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin using a human readable name. Now, here is an example of sending crypto to myself via using my cryptolark.crypto address. It's so easy to do. Now, in addition to those human readable names, you could also host an Unstoppable website with your Unstoppable domain, or even just buy a popular domain name for later resale. Now, if you still need to get your Unstoppable domain, then click on the link down below to reserve your name today. Okay, so let's talk about what cryptocurrencies that I am buying at this moment. By the way, I just do have to mention I'm still buying Bitcoin and I'm still buying Ethereum. I'm doing that every week. Yes, even at these prices. Dollar cost averaging means dollar cost averaging. Personally, I'm probably going to stop buying Bitcoin once it crosses over the $50,000 mark, and Ethereum once it crosses over the $1,000 mark. At least that's the tentative plan at the moment. In that case, I'll be looking for smaller cap cryptocurrencies and then swing the profits off of those back into the big boys. So still adding to those stacks, but not buying it directly. Also, quick disclaimer before I share my DeFi gem picks with you. I hold all 3 of these coins. This is not a recommendation or a solicitation for you to run out and to buy these cryptos. This also should not serve as a replacement for doing your own research. You obviously still have to do that. This is just a basic overview of what got me interested in these cryptos. Also, please understand that investing in low market cap cryptocurrencies is very, very risky, and you can lose a lot very quickly. Furthermore, no one has paid me to talk about these cryptos. I'm just sharing what I am doing with my money, not telling you what to do with yours. Also, before I share my picks, I just wanted to say that you are spoiled for choice in the market right now. There is so much opportunity with a lot of high quality offerings happening at this time. And there are lots of low market cap cryptocurrencies out there that can make you some very, very big gains as the market heats up. Now, aside from the 3 I'm talking about here, there are some that I'm keeping an eye on, but have not bought yet. That's Orion, Acropolis, and P Network. But the following 3 coins are the ones that have actually caught my money so far. The first one is Trustswap. Now, this is bringing a smart escrow, time release contracts for ICOs, crypto recurring payments like subscriptions, smart swaps, token sale launch pads, the ability to easily launch a token or a tokenized asset, which of course then opens up the door for really just wrapping a wider variety of assets overall. Now, considering that ICOs right now are making a strong comeback, we've seen all these initial offerings happening over on Uniswap, for example, this is the perfect time to see something like Trustswap launching, as we desperately need to have a better class of ICO. And the current generation of ICOs are not a lot better than the previous class, to be honest. And look, that's just one of the many things that Trustswap is looking to deliver on. They've got a lot of other great stuff as well. And the tokenomics of Trustswap are absolutely awesome. Every transaction paid in swap rewards stakers and liquidity providers with 80% of the transaction fee. 10% of that is burned and 10% goes back to the foundation, making this a deflationary reward token, which is a very, very strong model encouraging staking and holding of the token. And of course, you get governance rights, which is nice, Not nicer than money, but I'll take that too. And unlike many new tokens, 60% of this token actually went to the public, which is refreshing. We've seen so many sales, it's like 3% going to the public, which is pretty obscene, but it's happening a lot anyway. Trustswap also has a very ambitious roadmap, but many of the features will not actually be deployed until next year. This is still a very, very new token, so you do need to keep that in mind. But if they get it right, then this definitely could be a token that brings back a big return in the long run. I have already taken profits on my Trustswap. Actually, I was lucky to get in quite early, so I took out my capital, I doubled my Ethereum, and I'm keeping about 60% of my position to keep riding it up to the moon. Now, it's hard to make a comparison for Trustswap in terms of market cap potential, but right now it's only a $20 million market cap, which is an easy kind of a 15x move to catch up to some of the more established players like Kyber or Synthetics, for example. Now, the second cryptocurrency that I have bought recently is Swingby. Now, this protocol enables trustless, fast, and secure inter-blockchain swaps while deepening liquidity across the cryptocurrency market. This is being done via what they are calling the Sky Bridge. So the Swingby Sky Bridge is currently on testnet, allowing for easy transfers between blockchains. The testnet already has interoperability between Bitcoin and the BINANCE chain. And yes, this is kind of doing something like THORChain, but really I don't see them so much as competitors per se. Really, they're both going to bring in more liquidity to the crypto space and to bring in more options for people to do swaps with. Much like many of the DeFi lenders, they're actually working together, sharing liquidity, and really just bringing up the entire DeFi space together. And this goal is also helped supported by the Swingby Sky Pool, which is a liquidity aggregator. Swingby also has strong backing from venture capital firms, and they're already working with Binance as well as working with Elrond. Elrond, man, they've been just nailing it with some of these DeFi partnerships. The Swingby tokens, they will earn rewards via staking. Now, currently, you're getting 50% staking rewards on BitMax. That's crazy. It's paid out daily and it compounds, which is very, very nice. As usual, early stage cryptos, they do have the highest rewards because they carry higher risk. Swingby is currently at a market cap of $6.6 million. THORChain is at $100 million. Even if Swingby became half as big as THORChain is right now, then that will be a 10x move. I think that both THORChain and Swingby, they are going to have a lot of room to grow farther as this market takes off. And the final cryptocurrency I want to discuss with you is the BZRX token. You see, BZRX is a DeFi behemoth. The token will be used across all of the products built on the protocol. Currently, there is Fulcrum, which is a margin lending and margin trading platform, and there is Torque, which is a loan platform. Now, BZRX is already integrated with major decentralized exchange platforms like 1inch Exchange and Zapper, and it's also partnered up with the likes of Chainlink and Kyber and Maker and a lot of other top DeFi players as well, essentially placing the BZRX token right at the heart of a big beating ecosystem of DeFi. And of course, at the heart of some of the most popular products that already exist in the DeFi space. The BZRX token is a governance token, but most interestingly for investors seeking out those sick gains, is the BZRX token entitles you to new fees generated by the protocol in proportion to your contribution to the staked supply. The BZX protocol charges an origination fee for loans of 0.09%, a trading fee of 0.15%, and an interest fee of 10%. Now, this could be a serious moneymaker long-term for stakers. A lot of its closest peers, they already have market caps 6 times greater on average than BZX. We're just at the start of the bull run here, guys. This platform is likely to be fully operational sometime in August after undergoing some extensive security audits to try and avoid the kind of exploit that it suffered earlier this year. Anyway, those are my 3 new additions to my portfolio. My question for you, what new cryptocurrency have you bought recently, and why should other investors be interested in buying it too? Essentially, show us your bags down below. Seriously, just the things that you've been buying recently. I'm super keen to see what you have been taking an interest in and what has been catching your dollars recently in the market. Are you chasing after new things, or are you doubling down on existing positions? Curious to know down below. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope that was useful for you, and yes, some great information out of it. And I hope you're having an excellent day wherever you are and whatever you are doing out there in the crazy world beyond crypto. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.